Welcome to the Cheers Registry tutorial. The Cheers Registry is an online verification platform where building industry professionals register projects for California Energy Code compliance. The Cheers Registry is a robust tool for organizing documentation, communicating between parties and stakeholders, and submitting documents for verification. This tutorial is designed as an introduction to the Cheers Registry to help you set up your account, access and start new projects, and begin sharing documentation for signature sign-off and verification. To begin, go to www.cheers.org. The registry is accessible from the top right corner. Click the Register button to create your new account. Next, select your role in the building process to create the right type of account for you. Different stakeholders will need to enter specific information pertinent to their role and will need to access different features in the Cheers Registry. New rater accounts must have their certifications verified by Cheers before their account becomes active. Fill out the requisite information, then click Create Account to continue. Congratulations! You've created your Cheers account. Signing in will take you to the main landing page, which shows a list of your projects. These may be projects you've created or any that you have been added to. If your account is brand new, you may not see any projects in your list. After joining or creating your relevant projects, the Cheers Registry will display your projects as a list, like this. In the next section of the tutorial, we'll talk more about how to navigate your list of projects. For now, let's do one final thing to customize your new Cheers Registry account: selecting your alert settings. To change your alert settings, click the bell icon at the top beside the Cheers logo. From here, select the Settings icon. Account holders can select from web, email, or no alerts for the following categories. Think about what actions you'll be involved with and how you would like to be alerted to changes and updates to your projects. Then select the alert settings that will work best for you. Congratulations! Your new account is set up and ready to go. Scroll down and click the blue Continue button to continue with the tutorial.